After listening to the beautiful recitation of the Holy Quran from the Kaaba, people are amazed and everyone is searching for who is reciting the Quran with such a beautiful voice. In the Kaaba, some people have said that the voice of the recitation came from the inside of Kaaba. So the question is, who is living inside the Kaaba and from where did the recitation voice come? According to the Hadith, we come to know that Muslims are not the only one performing the spiritual tawaf of the Kaaba. The immortal creations of Allah, the angels, are also there performing the tawaf and reciting the Quran. Subhanallah. So when the angel descend from the heaven and perform tawaf around the Kaaba, sometimes the Hajis witness some spiritual scenes of the angels, just like in this video that is going viral. As you can see in this video is the angels reciting the Holy Quran. What exactly happened is that while the pilgrims, the Hajj, were performing the tawaf, they heard a beautiful voice reciting the ayat of the Quran. The azan was being called in the background and nobody had any idea where the sound was coming from. People began to look around to see whose beautiful voice it was and where it was coming from, since it was the time of azan and the muazzin was already calling for namaz. Finally, it was discovered that the melodious recitation was coming from the Kaaba.